What do you think about this? Today, I'll introduce you to a method that allows you to create your own website completely free of charge, even if you have no prior experience in website development. Not just one website, but 3. All for free. This website was created by me without any prior knowledge of web design, and each of you can do the same after watching this video. I created this site to post articles through which I earn commissions for products. Stay with me step by step throughout the video. I am confident that in the next 5 minutes, you'll have your own website that you can use for any purpose you want. For those who want to develop their skills further, you can even use this method to build websites and sell them for thousands of dollars. Let's get started with the practical tutorial. Just one small request before we begin. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. Now, let's begin. The website we'll be discussing today is called infinityfree.com. This platform allows you to build your own websites without needing any prior experience. The best part? There's a free option that lets you create 3 websites at no cost. The first thing we need to do is sign up on the site using our email address. After registration, we activate the account and proceed to the screen you see here. As mentioned earlier, we can create up to 3 free websites. To start, I click Create Website, choose the free plan, and click Next. If you have a specific domain name you want to use, you can add it here. However, today we'll stick to the free features. Next, I choose a name for my website. The available options are limited to the platform's suggestions, but I recommend keeping it short and relevant, something like Great Site. Then I click Check Availability to ensure the domain isn't already taken. In the next step, I can adjust the account password, decide whether I want to receive updates from the platform, and click Finish. And just like that, I now have my own website. At first, it may take a little time to set up, usually no more than 20 minutes, but once it's ready, we can move on to customizing it. Once it's ready, the interface changes, and now we can begin customizing the site and adding content. To do this, we click Download, which lets us install the essential program needed to manage the site. Most of you are probably familiar with this tool. It will appear at the top of the search results. Click Download and follow the installation steps. You'll also need to create a username and password, which you should save as they will allow you to access the backend of the website. Once you're logged into the backend, you'll see the main dashboard where you can control everything. The website will have 2 links, one for the main site and one for the backend. Click the backend link and log in with your credentials to access the admin panel. The first thing we'll do here is select a design for the website. There are thousands of ready-made free templates available. On the left side of the screen, click Themes, and at the top of the screen, click Add New. Browse through the designs and choose one that suits the type of content you want to publish. You'll see how many beautiful free designs are available. We'll choose this design, which is perfect for several purposes, including news. Install it and activate it on your website. Click Install, and once it's done, click Activate to see the changes reflected on the site. At the top of the screen, click View Site, and voila! Your site is ready. Of course, you'll need to create a logo and make a few edits to personalize it. If you'd like us to dive into these details, let me know in the comments so we can create a detailed tutorial in the future. Back in the admin panel, to add any content, click Add Post, then New. And you'll see the screen where you can set the title, content, and publish it directly. This platform can truly transform your work. Whether you need a website, don't know how to build one, or want to start freelancing but aren't sure where to begin. This is the key to getting started. I hope you found today's video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video.